Hello guys, welcome back to my DIY koi pond. Today is such a beautiful day. It's nice and sunny, 21 degrees Celsius, and I think it's about time for me to start up my pond again. So first thing first, I'm gonna set up the skimmer first. And before I do that, I'm gonna pump out the water from this barrel, this skimmer. And I'm gonna put the jack valve in, and I'm gonna use the garden hose there. I'm gonna backwash that waterfalls over there. It's been a few years already that I haven't done it yet, so this is the time. So I'm gonna hook up the sub pump in here and pump out the water from this skimmer. All right, got the pump hooked up and running right now. So give it a few minutes. I'm gonna pump all the water out. Yeah, pump all the water out, and I can set up the jack valve and drop down the skimmer pump at the same time. And I put the jack valve in before I do the backwash over there, so no water gonna flow back inside here this way. So as you can see here, this is the original pump that I used for the skimmer last year. 4,500 gallon per hour pump. You can see that. So that's the one, and it's the jack valve. There's a small hose there to hook up, and this is my Matala filter, and the shell for the basket, and there's another shell to hold the Matala. And right now the temperature down in the pond is at 9 degrees Celsius. So I think I'm gonna wait for a few more weeks before I start setting up my 3-barrel filter system, because the temperature is still cool. So I'm gonna set up the skimmer first for now, which is circulating the surface water. Yeah. So I guess this is the way that you can say that I'm changing the water. So after I set up this, I'm gonna go hook up the other filter cartridge to add more water in here. So this is almost like this is the water change. I'm doing the water change. Well, while waiting for this one to pump out, I'm gonna go hook up the carbon filter cartridge in here. Alright, gonna hook this up. The over here. I'll set this one down here for now. All right, so this one out. So this is what I used last year. This filter cartridge. Oh. Set it up. Alright. There. Alright, that's it. The pump is running dry over there now. Alright. So, I'm gonna do some cleaning over here for us. Turn out the pump for now. Gonna do some cleaning down there before I set the pump in. Check valve is in, pump is set, and I put the shelf for the Metallic filter. So say I got this ring set here to hold up this shelf pretty good. However, the top one that originally I had over here didn't seem to stay, so I keep falling off all the time. So I took it off, and I'll show you what I do to support the basket shell. All right, so just like that. Now I need to get the other stuff. All right, so I'm using these fiberglass garden barrier from Home Depot to set it as a support for my leaf basket shelf. So goes. Goes in like that. Yeah, so you can see something like that. That support the shelf for the leaf basket. I'm gonna set this one down. No, that side down first. No. There you go. Okay, just like that. So that hold my leaf basket. Let me get my leaf basket now. There you go. So that's the leaf basket. Put a little rock just to add some weight there. So it'll stay there. So that's my schema set up. I got a check valve in. So I'm gonna go there, backwash that waterfalls. So when I backwash it, the water will go outside. There we go under the deck and come outside here. into my garden. It's the backflow into the skimmer barrel. All right, this is how I have my waterfall set up. So I have a bypass valve right there to bypass the water to the pond, and I have another shut-off valve right here. This is where I used to backwash it. I'm gonna open this valve and close that one, and when I backwash, all the wastewater gonna run through here and through this valve and go under the deck and out to the garden over there. So that's how I backwash the waterfalls. Okay, as I mentioned before, I got bio balls in here and gravels. So gravel first, then bio balls and gravels. Yeah, so I'm gonna backwash it now. All right, pump is on. Skimmer is running right now. Of course, water still filling up. There you go, waterfall's running. Alright guys, that's it for today. Got my pond starting up with the skimmer for now. Then I will do the 3-barrel filter system later on. But for now, just the skimmer. Alright, see you next time. Bye for now.